Now that we have added references to our labels, I would like to point out one thing. Note that we have the entity name subsection followed by the number of the entity through the reference command, correct? Now what happens if LaTeX wants to add a line break? Let me just add a few dummy characters here. Let's take a look at this scenario. You can ignore the dummy characters that I've added to kind of simulate this scenario. Now, what happens is adding a reference to subsection. Now, this 1.1 is just floating in the next line, correct? That is because we have a space between subsection and a reference command. Because of this, LaTeX feels that it's okay to split the subsection and the corresponding numbering. Basically, the entity type and the number is split across lines because of the space that we have in front of the ref command. One solution would be to remove the space in front of the ref command so that the subsection and its corresponding numbering is not split across lines. However, this does not look that visually appealing. So one way to tell LaTeX is that I want to add a space, but it should not be broken when you have to break it in lines. So now I need a way to tell LaTeX that I want a space but it should not be broken across lines. To do that, we will use the tilde. Now I'm separating subsection and the ref command with the tilde symbol. If I recompile, note that subsection 1.1 is now considered as one entry. The initial split that we have is no longer applicable. I can just remove few more characters here from my dummy sentence and compile. It always ensures that subsection and the corresponding number is treated as one phrase. So tilde is used to implement non-breaking spaces. When you combine some phrases with tilde, it ensures when line breaks are applied, it is not applied at the tilde points.